Welcome to the Third Wave Revival. There's been a lot of discussion about the Third Wave Revival, and today we're going to talk about it. It's something very special and unique. Something is happening right now in the ministry, in the movement of Victory Outreach International. And if you've been around for just a little bit, you've probably heard it. It's called the Third Wave Revival. But what is it exactly? In an attempt right now to define the Third Wave Revival, here's one definition that I've put together. The Third Wave Revival is what the Lord is doing today, right now, in the movement of Victory Outreach International. The Third Wave Revival is the result of God's faithfulness in the first and second generation, merging and inspiring this existing third generation through the power of the Holy Spirit to continue the vision and mission of Victory Outreach International. That is a lot of power taking place. That is a strong wave that is taking place. Please note, the Third Wave Revival is all inclusive. There is no age limit. It is for everyone. Everyone can be a part of the Third Wave Revival. If you are breathing, you are part of this generation, you can be a part of the Third Wave Revival. So, we're going to look at three components that make up the Third Wave Revival. If we can come up with anything, I've come up with three components. Number one, the Third Wave Revival is an opportunity, it's a key word, for anyone ready to flow with the Spirit of God and the vision of our founder. It's exactly what it is. It's an opportunity that we all have if you want to flow with what the Spirit of God is doing with the vision of our founder. Number two, the Third Wave Revival is an opportunity, there's that word again, for anyone not only ready to flow, but ready to grow in personal development and leadership training. Not just anyone can just get in there and excel in the Third Wave Revival. You have to be ready to grow. Are you ready to change? Are you ready to transition into a better leader, a better person, a better mother, a better father, a better life group leader, a better minister, a better pastor? If you're ready to grow, you have that second component that's taking place here with the Third Wave Revival. And let's look at number three. The Third Wave Revival is an opportunity for anyone ready to go and make a local and global impact. Not only able to flow, not only able to grow, but are you willing to go? That's what it's all about. To go and make a local and global impact. So the question is, are you ready? Are you ready to be a part of what the Spirit of God is doing today, right now, in the ministry of Victory Outreach International? Are you ready to connect with our founder, ready to connect with our leadership and be a part of this great movement? I hope so. But here's a word of caution. There are some people say that they want ministry. They want to be part of this Third Wave Revival, but I don't think they're serious. They're not serious. Why? Because they're slothful. They are uncommitted, undisciplined, and in a constant adulting mode. They can't be on time at their job in ministry, constantly late. They're slacking and slothful in their spiritual disciplines, lack of prayer, lack of word. They want to wear the t-shirt, but they can't live up to it. They want to be in the limelight. They want to be in the picture. They want to be right there in that Instagram photo, but they don't want to put in the work of the ministry. They are in a constant danger zone, and they get hurt because they're not paying attention. When you are at the beach and the waves are coming your way, you have to be on constant alert at all times. If not, you know what happens? You're going to be swallowing quarts of salt water. That'll just happen in 2 seconds. If that ever happened to you, you're there, all of a sudden you're swimming, not paying attention. Like, oh my God, I just swallowed. Who knows what was in that thing? If you're not paying attention, it's a nasty, drink. People get hurt. People get bit when they're not paying attention. So it's a word of caution. that you need to pay attention. You need to grow up and be disciplined and be committed and be an adult. Grow into what God has called you to be. Now, when I think about the ministry of education, this is a fascinating thing here. The ministry of education is like an undertow. It is what's an undertow? It is the current caused by the crashing of waves breaking onto the ocean floor. You're there at the beach, you see the undertow. You're standing nearby, you see the waves crashing, and when you're standing, you feel that pull. You're standing on the sand. It's like you got to stand strong. There's a pull. That's what the undertow is. The current caused by the crashing of waves breaking onto the ocean floor. Among many things, this undertow is preparing the next wave. This undertow is making sure that next wave is even stronger. The third wave, the next wave, right now what's happening. And it makes it a lot stronger. So you got to be strong. You need to be able to stand, or else if you're not paying attention, there goes those waves crashing down on you. So what the Ministry of Education does, it's preparing. It is there making that next wave stronger. VETI, Victory Outreach Bible College, and the Arganzoni Academy is the undertow, preparing and equipping men and women to be effective in ministry and to make an impact in this generation. Powerful stuff. If you're a student or if you're a faculty member, this is our time. This is what the Spirit of God is doing in this generation, in our movement, through our founder, through our leadership. Right now, this is what's happening, the third wave. Are you ready? We are preparing men and women to be effective in ministry, to make an impact in this generation. Not just to look pretty, but to go ahead and grow, flow, and go. Are you with me? Are you ready? We are living in exciting times. Brothers and sisters, I want to encourage you to ride the wave, the third wave revival.